All right. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher. Morning, teacher.
Okay. How are you today?
Today is good.
We're good. Okay. So now we are going to discuss our new topic. All right. So again, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our online class. Okay. So for this week's topic is all about the animal needs for living and growing. Okay. So last time we talked about the human needs, right? For living and growing. And for this week, we are going to tackle also about the animal needs for living and growing. Okay, so this subject is science and this is for grade 3. Okay, so let's start with our vocabularies. Okay, so just follow teacher. Number 1, need.
Need.
Number 2, grow. Grow. Number 3, living. Living. Number 4, space. Space. Number 5, breathe. Breathe. Number 6, energy. Energy. Number 7, resource. Resource. Again, resource. Number 8, oxygen. Oxygen. Number 9, energy. So it says as number 6, I'm sorry. Again, number 9, energy. And number 10, healthy. Healthy. Again, healthy. Okay, so let's move on to the spelling of our vocabularies. Okay, so I will mute someone to spell. Shania, let's start with Shania. Okay, please unmute yourself and spell number 1.
Need. N-E-E-D.
Very good. Okay. Next, sardine, please spell number 2. Grow.
G-R-L-O. G-R-O-W. Thank you.
Okay. Very good. Next, pang. Pang, please spell number 3. L.
L-I-V-I-N-G.
Okay, very good, Pang. Next, Thanaton. Thanaton, please spell number 4.
S-P-A-C-E.
All right, very good. Next, Tabtim. Tabtim, please spell number 5. B.
Teacher.
Spell number 5. Letter B.
B.
R.
R.
E.
E.
A.
A.
T.
A. T.
H.
H.
E.
H. E.
Very good. Okay, next. Please spell number 6. Energy. Letter E.
E-N-E-R-G-Y.
Very good. Okay, manatsanan sanpa. Kindly unmute yourself. Spell number 7. Resource. Letter R.
R-E-S-O-U-R-C-E.
Shabu. Spell number 8.
O-F-Y-T-E-N.
Right, very good. Number 10. Pan pan. Okay, pan pan. Kindly unmute yourself and spell number 10. H.
H.
E. This one healthy. A.
A.
L.
L.
T.
T.
H.
H.
Y.
Y.
Healthy.
Healthy.
All right, very good, Pan Pan. So those are the vocabularies of our topic this week. Okay, so let us move on to the discussion. So please behave, everyone, and focus, okay? So You listen to teacher. Right. So go to page 28 of your book. Okay. Go to page 28. Right. So once again, animal needs for living and growing. So this is our topic for this week. Okay. So animals are living things, right? Yes or no? Yes. So animals are living things just like us humans. So to live and grow, they need food, water, and air. So just like humans, for them to survive, they need to eat their food, drink water, and breathe air, right? Okay, so the animals need these three things. Okay. All right, so we have an activity here, but we are going to do it later. Okay, kindly move on to the next page. So to live and grow, animals need food, water, and air. Food gives them energy to move around and do their activities. Okay, so again, the food will give them the energy, okay, for them to move around and do their activities. Okay, next, water is a living space. Okay, so it is a living space for them to grow. Okay, food resource and part of their body. Okay, so again, water is a living space, food resource, and part of their body. Okay, so next, animals breathe in oxygen for their body to work well. So without air, they will die. Okay, so once again, these are the three things that the animals need for them to live and grow. So these are food, water, and air or oxygen. Okay, so without these three things, they are going to die. Okay, so they are going to die. Right. So let's further discuss. All right, so number one, food and its benefits. So what are the benefits of foods to animals? So go to page 31. Okay, so animals grow bigger and heavier just like us. Okay, so they may grow taller or they may grow bigger. Okay, so food is important for their living and growing. Different animals eat different foods. Okay, so since they are different, they are going to eat also different foods. Okay, just let's say, for example, the cow's food is different from the fish food, right? Because they are different. Okay, so some animals eat other animals. Okay, so some animals eat other animals. Okay, some animals eat plants and some animals eat both plants and other animals. Okay, so without food, animals will die. Okay, so again, without eating food, the animals will die. Right, so we have here the benefits of food to animals. Okay, so it's the same page, page 31. So number one, food is an energy source for animals and keep them warm. Okay, so again, it is the energy source. It is where the energy is coming from. Okay, and it will keep them warm. Okay, number two, food keeps animal healthy and helps their body work well. Okay, again, it will help their body to work well. Isn't it that if you are not going to eat you feel like you are weak, right? Yes, so that's why the animals also need to eat food for their body to work well. Right, number three. Okay, so food builds muscles and bones in animals, makes their body grow well, and repairs their damaged tissues. Okay, so it will repair their damaged tissues. Okay, and it will build muscles and bones. Okay, and it makes their body grow well. All right. All right, so we have here a lion hunting a deer for food. Okay, so lately we have said that other animals can eat other animals, right? So that's why this animal is hunting the deer. Okay, so that is his food. Okay, next, some birds eat both plants and animals. Yes. So some birds, they eat leaves, and also they can eat worms, right? Okay, so that is the benefit of foods to animals. Let's move on to water. Okay, so water and its benefits. Please go to page 32. Okay, so animals also need water for living and growing. They need to drink water for their body to work well. Without water, animals will become dehydrated and will die. Okay, so when we say dehydrated, their body will be dry, right? Since they don't have water already. So that's why they need water for their body to work well. Right. So let's see the benefits of water to animals. Okay, so number 1, for drinking. Okay. Number 2, water forms part of animals and it makes their body to work well. Okay, so again, water forms parts of animals and it will make their body to work well. Number 3, water controls body temperature of animals. Number 4, some animals live and nurse their young in water. Okay, so some animals live and nurse their young in water. So let's say, for example, we have here fish. Okay, so they live on the water, right? So we have here a bird drinks water for its body to work well. So as we have said in number 2, they need to drink water for their body to work well. All right. Next. Okay. So number 3, the air and its benefits. So what are the benefits of air to the animals? Okay. So animals need oxygen for their body to work well. Also, some animals need air to help them fly, right? Air pushes under their wings to make them fly easily. So examples, birds, insects, and bats. Okay, without air, animals will die. All right, so number 1, so what are the benefits of air to animals? Number 1, use for breathing. Okay, so that is the basic benefit of air to animals. So it is used for breathing. Number 2, blocks some UV rays from the sun from reaching animals. Okay, so last time we have said that UV rays is dangerous to us, right? So it is also for animals. The UV rays is also dangerous for animals. That's why the air will block these UV rays from the sun, okay, to keep them be protected. Okay. Next, number 3, air controls Earth's temperature, making it good for living. Okay, so it will control the temperature of the Earth, okay, so that it won't be too hot. Okay, all right. Number 4, helps some animals to fly easily. Okay, so we have here an example. We have birds. Okay, so birds flying by pushing down on air. So those are the benefits of the air to the animals. Okay, now we have a activity in page 28. We have here water and grassland. Okay, so match the animals to their habitats and write the food they eat. Okay, when we say habitat, it is their space where they live. Okay, it is the space of their living. Okay, so let's have the first picture. It is fish. Where are we going to put this? Is it on the water or the grassland? Chloe Jai?
One.
One. Okay, in the water. All right, very good. So we are going to match from here to here. Okay, so please make a line connecting the water and fish. They are eating small fish and worms and many more. Okay. Next, we have here a zebra. Okay, so where do zebra live? In the water or in the grassland? Shania?
Grassland.
Very good. So zebra lives on the grassland. So make a line to connect zebra and the grassland. Very good. Next, I want Tabtim. Tabtim, where do elephants live? In the water or grassland?
In the grassland.
Very good, Tabtim. Okay. Patranit Nuchay. Okay, please unmute yourself. How about here, an alligator or a crocodile? In the water or grassland?
Water.
Very good. In the water. So match. So we have water to crocodile or alligator. Okay, so that's the answer for page 28.